Woo! This is Daryl from Crypto Daily Trade Signals, come to you live from Vietnam. This is our evening drive time update, guys. And remember, before we start, I got to tell you one thing. This video is not financial advice. This video is only for education, entertainment purposes. So consider yourself entertained and educated, guys. So, hey, wow, the markets are up. We're seeing that Bitcoin right now is trading around about $59,355. So that's crazy, guys. Things are looking up. We're seeing Ethereum is getting pretty close to going to 3,800 right now. We're seeing that ADA is down. BNB is going down a little bit. And we're seeing that, Matic is on fire right now. People are saying that we could see $3.50 coming in for Matic. And we have this huge news that's going to happen in 72 hours. It's a huge update, guys. Huge update, guys. If you guys haven't heard or you haven't watched my previous videos, it looks like we could have ARK or Valkyrie Bitcoin ETF approved in about 72 hours. And that'd make it Monday. So, guys, if that happens, you know what's going to happen in Bitcoin? It's going to go boom, boom to the moon, guys. Boom, chakalaka to the moon, guys. And things are just going to go uppity, up. It has to be Jackie Channing, all those profits, guys. It's going to be huge. So I'm really excited, guys. I'm really excited. We're seeing that, it's Friday here in Vietnam. It's Friday evening. And, I've had my dinner and winding down. I just thought I'd bring this video. It's a huge update. And we're seeing things looking pretty good. Also, there was a huge whale that bought about $1.9 million worth of SHIB, like a couple hours ago. So we're going to jump into that. We're going to jump into some of the technicals. We can see that whales are going crazy right now. And we're going to look into that on-chain data. It says whales are just going crazy and buying up Bitcoin like it's going out of style, guys. And, we got a whole bunch of data. We're also looking at, Yahoo Finance, the article coming out that's saying the $100,000 Bitcoin. Looks like Plan B is right on the money, guys. He called 63,000 for this month in October. I think it's going to come. It's absolutely coming. Right now we're at the 15th of October. We're halfway there. And, we're so danger close. That $63,000 all-time high is absolutely coming in. I can smell it. I can smell the jet fuel, guys. I can hear the rockets firing up the engines. We're also going to talk about Doge. Doge is kind of just being Doge, right? But a lot of people are saying there's some manipulation on Doge, and that I think there's some billionaires that are keeping Doge down, guys, keeping it down. We're seeing transactions going on. We're seeing accumulation going on, but we're not seeing any movement with Doge. But I think there's some manipulation going on. I think something big's going to happen to Doge very soon. And I have a feeling. We're going to get the Tesla announcement either, I got a feeling that this Tesla announcement could happen in October, guys. Sometime after the ETFs, and that's just going to pump Dogecoin to the moon, guys. So, a lot of people are still saying that, there's a 1,000% increase could happen to Dogecoin. I mean, I covered that in one of my previous videos, but I'm still hearing it. So maybe the huge whales know something we don't know. Who knows, guys? So with that being said, guys, I just want to say God bless each and everyone. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being in this video. And this community, this video would not be here if it wasn't for my community. So go right down there. Go right down. Go down there. Smash the likes. Smash the likes, guys. And don't forget to subscribe, BYB in the house, guys. And don't forget to share this video link on your socials. Get this video link, copy it, paste it on your Twitter, on your Facebook, on your WhatsApp, on whatever you got. Get it out there. Call your friend next door. Say, hey, we got this OG Crypto Daily Trade Signals. So get the word out for me, guys. So let's jump into it. Let's dive right into the YouTube land. Let's get it, guys. So first thing coming out right now is you can see that right now we're seeing that the whales appear to be preparing for approval of the Bitcoin ETF. And why? And this is from Ali Martinez in the house. And he's saying that addresses holding 100 to 1,000 BTC bought over 30K BTC worth about 1.8 million in the last 3 days. And so, wow. So they're like $1.8 billion worth of Bitcoin was bought in the last 3 days, guys. Can you imagine that? Somebody's accumulating. The whales are accumulating because they know something. Remember, never swim against the whales. So if the whales are accumulating Bitcoin, what does that tell you, guys? What does that tell you? It tells me that something's going to happen. Something big's going to happen. Don't forget, we got the CME futures that are expiring in a couple of hours. And most of those are long positions, so we can see a little bit of turbulence as we get closer to the expiration of those long positions on the CME, guys. So those options are going to expire soon. Also, and guys, look at this. The price has doubled. The Bitcoin price has doubled in 87 days. Wow. And it looks like we're just getting started. I mean, we could see another 100% increase from where we are now. Another 100% increase, that would take Bitcoin, the biddy, my child's in the house, that would take 100% increase. That would take us like 120,000. It should be a no-brainer, guys. And I think we're going to hit the top. We could probably hit the top in another 60 to 70 days, guys. So keep that in mind. Keep your eye on the top. 60 to 90 days. Part of my brain is saying 60, but the other part is saying, no, it could go longer. It could be 90. It could even be longer, guys. And definitely we're going to be seeing the altcoins coming in, the altcoin season coming in. It's going to be a profit. It's going to be foaming. And we're going to see, some altcoins going up 4x, 10x, 100x, guys. So the altcoin season is not even started. It's not even started. And, typically the altcoin season doesn't start till November, December-ish, December, January, somewhere along there. So, guys, this is going to be one of the biggest, the hugest bull runs in the history of cryptocurrency and beyond, guys. It's a great time to be live. Right now, a whale grabs 70.4.9 million SHIB on the dip after it dropped 600 million. And this is approximately around about $1 million worth of SHIB was bought on the dip, guys. This is a great time to be alive, and it shows that there's still a lot of people interested in the Shiba Inu, because I wouldn't be dropping $1 million on a coin that I thought was not going anywhere. So this is bullish news, but we're still seeing that Shiba Inu is still down, guys. We're going to jump into that. We're going to jump into the technicals. We're going to jump into the coinage in the house. Look at the market cap. So keep watching, guys. Keep watching. Go down there. Smash the like. Like. Get the likes, guys. I can't hear that. I hear the likes. Good. Get smashing likes, guys. I love it. So some other news that's coming in right now. We see that Polygon can hit $3.50 in Q4 as Matic is up 20%. Weekly rally triggers bull flag. So we can see that on Matic right now we have this bull flag that's forming, and this could trigger a huge upside, guys. And we could see a $3.50 target incoming right now. Not right now, but at the end of the year we could see a $3.50 target coming in. So that's really good news. And right now Matic is trading around about $1.50. So that's huge, guys. And I love Matic. I've been talking about Matic. I've been praising Matic for a long time. Remember, this is not financial advice. This is what I'm doing, guys. So Matic I still think is a good pickup. I've had it for a long time. I've always done pretty well on Matic, and so I love Matic. So all things considered, if this is right, we could see that Matic is going up to $3.50. That's going to double, guys. Double from here. 2.3x up, guys. Uppity up. Jackie Chan. We're going to get there to the moon, guys. And some other news that's coming in right now. You guys all know about the SEC likely to allow Bitcoin futures to trade next week reports. And I believe that Monday we're going to see the ARK and the Valkyrie ETF go live to the world. And it's going to be the first fully recognized SEC stamp of approval ETF. And this is going to be huge. This is going to be big. This is going to be crazy. If it happens, we're going to see, Bitcoin is just going to go zoom, rocket ride to the moon, guys. So get ready. Buckle up, guys. Buckle up. And, remember, it's still not too late to rebalance your portfolio. That's what I did. I rebalanced my portfolio. I go back and watch what that is. Basically, I sold some of my old coins that were in profit, and I moved it to Bitcoin. So I increased my overall position in Bitcoin. That way I can take advantage of this rocket ride that's coming, guys. So it's a great time to be alive. Right now, the fear and greed is still unchanged. It's been 71 all day, all night, guys. Take that to the bank. So, we're not in extreme greed, but trust me, when that ETF comes out, this thing is going to go boom, and we're going to see extreme greed. People are going to be euphoric. People are going to be going crazy. And let's take a look at the rainbow chart right now, so we can see that the rainbow chart, we're just about to enter into the FOMO, and I believe that we're going to see institutional FOMO way before we see the retail FOMO. we still haven't seen retail investors FOMOing in to Bitcoin and other alts right now. Because if you go to Google Trends and search that, you're still seeing that the search volume for Bitcoin is still pretty low. We're seeing search volume for Solana, Matic is going up. Search volume for Ethereum is going up. And the search volume for Shiba and Dogecoin is also going up, guys. So it's a great time to be alive. I don't believe the retail investors have FOMOed in yet. I still think they're going to do that. Let's take a look at the total market cap. And right now the total market cap is at 2.43 trillion in the house, guys. Trillion in the house. Now I did call it. I said we were going to hit 2.5 trillion this week, and we actually did that. So you can see here we actually hit a high right there of 2.5 trillion. Wow, this week already. We've come back a little bit. Some people have been taking some profits, right? Some people have been taking some profits, but that's okay. You got to take some profit. And remember, it's also important that you do take profits. And remember my formula, right? I talked about where I take profits. When I double and go up 4 times, these are the 2 triggers for me to take some profits off the table. And remember, you always want to try to take your original investment out, and then whatever you're left on the table is house money. So you don't care. This is not financial advice. This is just what the OG does. The OG does. So go back and look at how I take my profits in previous videos, guys. Woo! All right, guys. So let's take a look at a biddy. My Bitcoin in the house on the weekly, and we can see right now that Bitcoin is trading at 59,300. Let me see. Can I see that? 59,304. I'm blind as a bat. Hey, smash the likes, guys. What are you waiting for? Waiting for Christmas? Get down there and get the likes. Looks like that, guys. Okay, guys. And let's take a look at Bitcoin on the daily chart. Right now, Bitcoin is at 59,201. This is on the Binance chart. Remember, different charts have different slippage, right? So that's why you see slightly different prices. So don't go, hey, OJ, we need a Binance chart is different than this chart. Me. Because sometimes people can be very pedantic, and they can get very vitriolic and get very picky about the smallest things, guys. And it's like, hey, the comment, the price is different on this one, different on that one. Why is that happening? What you doing? And I mean, some people have a lot of energy, but they don't use that energy for positivity. They use that energy for negativity. I don't know why that people do that. Maybe because some people live under a rock or something, and they pop out. It's like, yeah, I gotta be negative. I'm gonna spread some negativity. This channel is about spreading a good vibe. Spread a good vibe. Spread some love. Crypto love in the house. Crypto love. Ric Flair crypto. Woo! Guys, let's be positive. Remember, life is too short to be 1, living under a rock, and 2, being a negative Debbie Downer and spread the negativity. Let's spread some positivity, because positivity is a catalyst for change. And if there's enough positive energy out there, maybe we can even influence the crypto space and send things to the moon. Oh, I love it. Let's be positive, guys. God bless each and every one out there. Keep watching, guys. We still got more TA. We still have to jump into the coin charts. Woo! Guys, buckle up, because here it comes. My Doge in the house. Woo. Now, okay. I'm going to be brutally truthful here. Okay. Don't beat me up in the comments, but Doge right now is trading at 22.79, and Doge is just going blah 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 all day. It's just been going and a lot of people are saying that we have some whales manipulating the Doge and keeping the Doge down, and they're accumulating more at these low prices, and something big's going to happen. I mean, there's a lot of articles out there are saying that Doge is going to go to go up 1,000x to $3.50. I still love the Doge. It's not only about the price, it's not only about the tokenomics, but it's also about the community. And remember, Doge is a huge gateway crypto because it's so inexpensive, it's easy to understand, and it's also, it's a really good medium of exchange, and until we get the Ethereum 2.0 and the Ethereum bridge coming out in Q1, we don't have NFT, we don't have DeFi, we don't have staking, we don't have any of that right now. But it's going to come. Absolutely, it's going to come. So, guys, I know a lot of you, I mean, I see in the live stream, are like, Doge is dead. Doge is going nowhere. Doge is not good. Doge is yeah, okay. I mean, yeah, you have the right to your opinion. Yes, Doge has just been kind of going, and it's boring. You know, and I know some of you bought at the top. You know, your phone went in and you bought it like 55 cents and 65 cents, and you know, you guys have been, you know, swimming underwater for a long time, and I know it's irritating, and you know, but you guys have to understand the fundamental thing in crypto is one golden rule: be patient. I'll repeat that in case you didn't hear me. For those people that live under the rock, okay, for the negative Debbie Downer, say you got to be patient. So if you're underwater now and you need to wait till next year, then you need to wait. And if next year you're still underwater, then you need to wait. Okay, that's it. If you want to, you know, like for me, I learned the lesson. You know, I was like, I'm losing money. I better sell now. Bing, and I would sell stuff and lose money. And I kept doing that. And I thought that I could outsmart the markets. And I thought, yeah, I'm gonna day trade. Yeah, I'm gonna day trade. I get this on the 1 minute time frame. Yeah. I'm gonna bing, sell buy. Of course, I forgot to factor in when I first started out that when I day trade, I have to factor in the fees, right? So a lot of times I'd be like, you know, the price would be higher than what I bought it at. But when I bought and sold, I factor in all the fees. Sometimes I would even just break even. I spent like the whole day. And it's like, what? Where's my, what, the fees, right? So I stopped doing that. It just was like not the game for me. And then I realized a secret. Something whispered into my ears. And I looked at it and I said, well, if I didn't do all these day trades and swing trades, and I just bought low and sold high and waited, I would make more money because I wouldn't lose money on the fees, that's for sure. I wouldn't lose sleep and brain cells worrying about it and, you know, sitting in front of the computer all day like this, you know, watching every little second of every little green wick on the wall, and drive myself nuts. So I stopped doing that, and I realized after that, that's when I start to make more money by being successfully patient. So once again, the moral of the story is you want to be successful in crypto, be patient, don't be emotional, and dollar cost average, hodl, and wait for life-changing wealth. So, you know, and remember, you know, a lot of young people, I call it the Kinder Egg generation, if they want it now. They want self-gratification. They want it now. But it doesn't work like that. In crypto, you got to wait. You got to be patient. So, you know, to the Kinder Egg generation, calm down, step back, take your time, and wait. That's all you got to do. Wait. You know, if you bought Bitcoin a year ago, look where you are today. If you bought Ethereum a year ago, look where you are today. If you bought BNB a year ago, look where you are today. If you bought ADA a year, look where you are today. So you can just go through the whole list of the top 10, the top 50, and the answer is simple. If you had waited, should be in buku dollar. Buku dollar. So you guys just be patient. Okay, I'm going to stop talking now. Let's take a look at the Shiba in the house. So the Shiba Inu in the house is trading at 2025, 29, and you can see it's still absolutely, as I said, I called it. We're just ranging inside this channel. We did break down a little bit. You know, we had this huge breakdown here. We came back up a little bit, and we got rejected. And it looks like we're now, we have like the spinning top doji candle here. Let me just zoom that up for you so you can see it. Okay, so we can see this little formation here. This here is when you have the wick, and here a proportionate. This is called a doji candle, and what that means is the market is indecisive now. It doesn't know if it's going to go up or doesn't know if it's going down. Now, typically, if you look at the overall pattern right now, the overall pattern is very bearish. And why I say that, we have a sell indicator. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 wicks to the downside. Okay, 9 wicks that have gone down. So the likelihood of this one going up is unlikely, in my opinion, and this probably could break down. And if we stay below this line here, which is the 25 line for a long period of time, we could get rejected and then start trading here. And that's not good, because then we would see ourselves going down to 20. So we don't want to do that. that's where we are right now with the Shiba Inu. We're at 25.27, and we are still just above this level, which is now a support. But I don't think it's very strong support because, you know, we got rejected, but we did come back. So let's see. You know, right now it's 50-50. It's 50-50 with this doji candle going up or going down. So we just need to see how that formed out. And this is on the 3 hour. So we're not going to know for some time, for a little bit more. I think we got about 1 hour left on this candle, guys. So with that being said, let's jump into Ethereum. Ethereum is also forming a little bit of a strange pattern right now. It's at 3,779. And it looks like we're just going sideways for a little bit right here, and there's no real movement, and we're down just barely, is like 0.30%, so it's really nothing. So keep an eye on that. I still think we're going to go to the upside. We're going to challenge the $4,000 area soon. We just need to wait for Bitcoin to make its move. 88 in the house, same old, same old. It's just ranging between 215 and 237 right now, and that's where we're going to see. We're just going to see going ding-ka-chunka, ding-ka-chunka, ding-ka-chunka in there. Boring, 80 is boring right now. And we're seeing Solana it broke out to the upside as I said it would, and I think once it's just going to have a continuation of this pattern. It's going to ginga chunka, and it's going to go between 155 and 182. And then what it'll do is, after a certain period of time of banging its head against this resistance level, it'll actually go through it, and then we'll see ourselves going to $200 in the house. So with that being said, let's take a look at the market cap right now. So we're at 247 trillion and 85.69 billion, and the Bitcoin dollars is 45.35 in the house. And let's take a look at the coins, guys, and then we'll let you get out of here. So right now we're seeing that Bitcoin is right now at $59,443. That's up 3.5%. Ethereum is up 1.46%. That's at $3,770. So Bitcoin is outperforming, but earlier in my earlier video was the opposite. We saw Ethereum was outperforming Bitcoin. So they're playing, they're playing tag. BNB is down 3.48%, and it's at $461. ADA is exactly where it was 2 or 3 hours ago, $2.16. It's just range bound, boring. Solana in the house is up 2.55%. It's at 157 and 62. It's given up a little bit. It was in 160 about 2 hours ago. And DOT is giving up some of its gains, and it's at $39.95. Let's just call it 40 cents, and it's down 2.48. And my Doge in the house is at 22.8, and it's down 3.6%. And my Shiba Inu is down 12.35%. And so things are not looking good for Shiba and the Doge. The meme coins are not doing so good today. So come on, meme coins, let's giddy on up. So, but Bitcoin is definitely stealing the show, and we're getting prepared for the rocket launch when these ETFs come out. And hopefully when the ETFs come out, we will see that Ethereum will also pick up some speed. So that's good, guys. So that being said, guys, don't forget to follow me on my Twitter. Follow. We got 2,626 people in my Twitter feed. 2,626 followers. So follow. Get all the tips and tricks and notifications. And I just want to say, you made it to the end, guys. You made it. So God bless each and every one of you. Go down there, smash the like, show the OGs some love. Subscribe, YB, in the house. Subscribe, YB. And with that being said, don't forget to check out the description of every video. Check out my linky winkies. Buy the channel a coffee, become a Patreon member, become a channel member. Remember, all of these go to charity. And don't forget to check out my merch. You can find the link down there too. And, we got hoodies, we got hats, we got all sorts of stuff, guys. Check it out. And we got the infamous, the famous mug, we got the water bottle, we got the backpack. So check out my merch, guys. And don't forget to check out the wife's channel, Zen Music. Happy wife, happy life, guys. I love you guys to death. And remember, this is the OG, the Ric Flair of crypto in the house. Woo! Bring you some crypto love. God bless each and every one of you. I love you guys. You love it. Let's get it, guys. God bless each and every one. Be well, be blessed. Smash those likes. This is the last chance to smash the likes before you leave. Do it now. Show some love. I love you guys. See you in the next one. Woo! To the moon and beyond. I love it, guys. So it was fun, right? It was really fun. I'm glad you guys made it to the end. Woo! I'm so excited, guys. It's hot in here. I'll see you in the next one, guys. See you tomorrow morning, Vietnam time. You love it. I love it. Let's get it.